Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Hue Bridge to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now, first of all, here is important thing that you need to understand. Hue Bridge doesn't connect directly to Wi-Fi. It is going to basically connect to your router using an Ethernet cable, and your router is going to provide the internet connection. So first of all, you need to plug the Ethernet cable from the Hue Bridge into your router, then connect the power adapter and simply turn it on. Now connect your phone to your home Wi-Fi network and make sure that it is the same network which is connected to the router. Now you need to open the Hue application. It will automatically detect the bridge, and you can just simply look for this search button, and then when it's able to basically find the bridge, you just have to wait for it. So it will say something like Hue bridge is found. So after detecting the bridge, when the app finds the bridge, simply press the button on top of the device. So it is going to be this button. After pressing it, it is going to pair the bridge with your app. So once connected, you can control your lights from the app, and your Hue system is now fully set up and connected to the internet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.